To transfer money from the Barclays Bank app, start by downloading and installing the app from the Google Store or Apple Store. Once installed, log in using your account number and password. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer option, typically located at the bottom right side of the screen, and then select the Make Payment option. Choose the account you want to transfer the money to, either by selecting an existing payee or adding a new one. Enter the payee's account number and the amount you wish to transfer. Then review and confirm the transaction details. Upon completion, you will receive a confirmation message. The transfer time varies, with transfers between Barclays accounts usually taking just a few seconds, while transfers to other banks can take up to 2 hours. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money using the Barclays Bank app.